Hey, it's Himanshu, the guy behind XFast. Let me quickly give you an overview of what you will get. Once you get access, you will see these two boilerplates. One is the core browser extension and the other one is your web app that contains landing page, all the subscription and auth related functionality. Let's start with the extension. Clone and open it inside VS Code and it will look something like this. Here you can see the backend folder for all your external API stuff. This component folder contains all the global level components like footer. And then this entry point folder is the man folder. It contains all your extension contexts like background script, content script, pop-up page, etc. This boilerplate comes with a pre-made pop-up page. It contains auth page, home page, a dummy AI playground page if you gonna do some AI stuff then, and profile page. Let me quickly show you how the pop-up page actually look like. npm run dev. Did you notice it automatically opened the auth page of your web app, which we will discuss in a moment. Let's open it. Here you can see the home screen, playground and profile section. I already added some demo settings for you. If you change any of them, they will instantly update the value inside the storage. Okay, let's try the hot reload. If you change anything here, it will instantly show up. This is some VXT magic. Let's change the color to red. And I also added an upgrade card widget. Also, the logout functionality is already configured, no need to do anything. And I also added some storage helper functions that will make your life easy. Now let's move to the web app boilerplate. It is built with Next.js, SatsCN and TypeScript. Clone it and open it inside VS Code. This is how it will look like. The marketing folder contains all your landing page stuff like auth page, privacy page, forget password page, etc. And the man folder contains dashboard, checkout success page, contact, etc. This is where all your components will live. And also you will get an auth context to access user info from anywhere in your app. And the lib folder contains all the external services like Polar, Supabase, etc. Let's make it live. This is how your landing page will look like. Let's change the heading. Also, you will get two variants of some components like, for example, let's hide it and add another variant of hero section. This is how the pricing page will look like. It already have all the checkout functionality. If user is not logged in, then it will send them to login page, else it will send them to Polar checkout page. This is the contact form. It also contains all the functionality. Whenever somebody enter a message and click on the send button, you will instantly receive an email notification via resend. Terms and conditions page. You can easily customize everything, like open the config file and change the web app name or make the theme light. Yeah, customize, add, remove, whatever you want. Make it yours. Enjoy.